Okay, on my workbench I have a BMax laptop. It's a model Y11. And the port number for the laptop is H1M6. Okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to change the battery. Alright, here's the laptop. Now what you want to do is you want to close your laptop, turn it upside down. Alright, you can find your model number and everything right here. Okay, like I said, model Y11, port number H1M6. Okay, now what you do is you turn it, put it down, and these are the hinges on this side. Now there's 11 screws of this size right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then there's 2 screws, a little bit bigger, under these little pads, just the top pads. The bottom pads don't have the screws. Now I pull the pad all the way off, but the screws are on the inside of the slot. So you could just pull up this side of the pad to the inside of the pad, and undo the screw. But like I said, I pulled the screw all the way down, all the way off, the pads all the way off, I should say. I'm just gonna put this clear glue when I put the 2 little pads back on. Alright, now we're just gonna simply remove all these screws, and then we're going to change the battery. It's very easy to change. And I'll give you all the port numbers and everything to the battery. So we're just going to remove these screws. They're very small screws, and you want to put them somewhere where they won't get lost. Okay, now I want to say something else before I remove the screws. On this side of the, got the laptop facing this way. Okay, there's your hinges. Okay, on this side of the laptop, there's a volume button. That's where you plug in your headset, right there. And then there's an on-off button. The on-off button and the volume button will come off when you take the laptop apart. So when you get ready to change the battery, put the cover back on, you just make sure those 2 buttons are back in place. Okay. So I'm not going to bore you with me pulling all the screws. So I'm going to pull all the screws, and then I'm going to remove this and change the battery. And here's the battery. Alright. Okay, I removed all the screws. There's 13 screws. 11 of the smaller ones. And the screws are very, very small. I stuck them on this piece of paper here so I wouldn't lose them. Got to be very careful they don't fly. And then the 2 little bit larger screws that go right down here under the little rubbers. So total 13 screws. And right here there's a, you take this screw out. It holds this little thing here. It's like a plate or something, I don't know. And what I'm going to do is should just come right off. Okay, that's it. Now to replace the battery is very, very simple. All right, now I've replaced the battery already. Okay, now what you want to do is these are the 2 things I told you about. Right here, the button and the on-off switch. It's kind of bent. Easy to straighten out. The on-off switch. And these are the buttons right here. You can see them. It's like a bar and the other little on-off switch. And what I'm going to do after I replace the battery, right before I stick this on, I'm going to pop them in place. I'm going to put them in place. This is right here. Just stick them up in there and then just go real easy with it so they don't fall out. Okay, and then put all the screws back. Now the battery. The battery is very simple to change. Okay, the battery plugs in right here. Okay, the black wires at the top, the red wires at the bottom. It just unplugs and plugs right back in. There's no clips or anything holding it on. Okay, and this is the little plug. Okay, like this. The black part goes up at the top. Now there's 5 screws, or 4 screws I should say, holding it in. Now depending on what battery you get, the replacement battery, it might only be able to put 3 of the tabs back on. See, I've already pulled. There's a tab there. You see them, tab there, tab there, tab. And the one tab didn't line up. This tab right here at the bottom, it didn't line up. Okay, with the other tab, so we ain't worried about that. 3 screws is plenty to hold. So here they are, right here, 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 and that's all. Now there's a piece of tape right here. All you gotta do is peel that little piece of tape back. Some of them might have some other tape other places. Just peel the tape back, put your battery in, put your tape back, and screw your screws in. Okay. This is the battery out of the old battery. Okay. And here's the model number. Okay, if you can see it. H-30137-162P. Okay. Now, this battery has a different part number, but it's cross-referenced over to this battery. This is the original battery. What happened, this laptop was left on charge, and a lot of stuff was put over the top of it. A lot of papers and different things. Some books were actually put on top of it, and it overheated. And it swelled up, see, it's real thick. And it bulged. It was still working, but it bulged the laptop out, okay? So just simply plug that in, put your little piece of tape back on it, screw the 3 or 4 screws that you can get in there, put it back. Now we're gonna take this and just put this back on and screw it back in place. And like I said, we're gonna stick 2 little tabs that came out. We'll stick them in and just gently put it back in place and put the screws back in. Okay, so let's do that. Now what you want to do is, of course you want to charge it. The battery probably won't have much charge, if any, the new battery, and just let it charge. So we'll put that back together and we'll let you know how it goes. Okay, the laptop is up and running. I charged the battery. All looks good. I just booted it up. Okay. Remember those 2 little ports, little places right there. You have to stick those 2 little. That's the on/off switch, and then this is the volume, up and down volume. Okay. There's 2 little pieces of tape that came with the laptop. Little bitty pieces of tape on the inside to hold these in place while you put the laptop in place. I tried the tape didn't have much stick to them. You could put a little bitty piece of Scotch tape if you wanted to hold them while you put it back in place. But it all went good. And of course this side you charge. You charge it. And that's pretty much it. It's I gave you the battery, yeah, the serial number for the battery, and I'll put links below where I got everything. And the battery was, you'll pay $40 to $50 or so for a battery, $54, $55 for a battery. Very easy to change. So that's how we do it here. I would change the battery. on our BMax computer, laptop.